Welcome back to Learn with Sam and Ash. We have this series where we see multiple people speaking for the same question. Well, these videos were recorded together. I just cut them to show you the difference between the answer of a beginner, a person who is trying, and an expert. Do not forget to check out this channel, which you really love when it comes to food. That means, recipes and all. In fact, I have learned many things from this channel to cook. Just give it a try. The channel name is A1 Cooking. As you can see on your screen, many videos already, and all of them are great.
About 1 month ago, we all friends are sitting and we decided and planned a trip. We planned a trip to Jammu, a very famous holy place called Mata Vaishno Devi. So we decided to go over there. It is a very cold place, so we decided to bought some clothes and bought our eating stuffs to eat during our journey, because we are traveling by bus and we didn't know where the bus is going to stop and how many stoppages of the bus are over there to that journey is there. The bus reached to Jammu bus station, and from there it is a 1 hour ride to go over Mata Vaishno Devi Dham. So we went over there, and there is a 16-kilometer walk to reach that place. So we start about 8 o'clock in morning to travel to start walking, and we reached over there about 4 or 5 o'clock, and we decided to stay over there only. We decided a trip of 2 days, so we have enough time, we can stay over there also. Then we stayed over there and we went to the temple, and after that a 2-kilometer walk is also to Bhairav temple. So we also decided to went over there because we have lot of time. We didn't have travel to another place, so we decided to go that place also. So we went from there, we went to Bhairav temple, and then to travel it took about 9 to 10 hours, but when we are getting back, it almost took 6 to 7 hours to reach to our place. We have enough time, so we also decided to went over some local sightseeing also. So we hired a guide who knows about that place, and he took us to so many places for local sightseeing.
About 10 days ago, I went on a 3-day vacation to Mussoorie with my brother and sister named Harsh and Ashwani. Mussoorie is also known as the Queen of Hill Station in India. It is about 500 kilometers from my hometown. Normally for such a long distance, we prefer going by air, but we decided to go by car because of the scenic view of the roads. The roads which leads to Mussoorie is very beautiful. When we reached there, we decided to stay in hotel and took some rest and by the tiredness of traveling. The next 2 days we spent sightseeing and shopping. Mussoorie has a huge cultural significance. It has some tourist attraction places like George Davis Point, Company Garden, and a wax museum. On the last night, we did some shopping from the street markets of Mussoorie. My brother has already visited there, so he knew all the shops with reasonable rates. We decided to board some home decorated things also. We all had a great time. If I will get a chance in the future to go with them, I will definitely go with them.
Well, honestly speaking, I'm not a person who generally travels a lot. In fact, I love staying at home. But there was an incident when I went to one of my brother-in-law's place just to visit him, coincidentally. And he said, tomorrow morning we are planning to go to Mussoorie. It's an amazing hill station place, just situated not far away from where I live. So I said, sure, why not? When you do not plan anything, when you try suddenly, things become fun. And it was indeed. We started a little bit early because we didn't want to miss that sunrise thing. So we started around 5 o'clock. We had snacks and everything in the car itself, because we had some kids as well of the age of around 6 to 8. We didn't want to stop in between and buy stuff. After that, we reached there around 10, 11ish, I would say that. When we reached there, we found our hotel. It took us around half an hour because the ways in the mountains are a little bit risky, so we had to drive a little bit slow, as well as once we lost our path as well. Now when we reached there, we ordered some tea and everything, and eventually after this tiny snack thingy, we left our hotel and we looked at the scenic beauty of these mountains. You won't believe how I felt. In fact, I took a book with myself so that when I feel calm, I wanted to read something there, and it helped actually, because when you read at your home, it's not that fun, but when you read at such attractive places, it's really good. It's really good. Moreover, the fresh air we were getting was tremendously healthy as well as soothing. Our car had this pollution thing, it tells you about the AQI, air quotation index, and it was showing only 13. Well, in cities we are getting 250 plus. So not just a place where tourists can go, also it enhances their health. And this green color that we had around us, amazing, because it's like trees and plants. I think time is up.